If you're wondering how to send targeted emails in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effectively use Mailchimp segmentation tools to reach the right audience at the right time. Before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can use Mailchimp completely for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses just for checking it out. So, how do you send targeted emails in Mailchimp? Let's get into it. First thing, you need to create a Mailchimp account if you don't have one already. It's simple, and with the free plan, you get access to many of the features we'll talk about today. Once you're set up, the first thing you'll want to do is collect the right data on your audience. That means ensuring you have accurate details like email addresses, location, purchase history, and interests. Next thing, you're going to want to set up your audience segments. Mailchimp allows you to create segments based on various criteria such as location, engagement level, and past purchases. You can even create custom segments, like people who have clicked on certain links in your previous emails. This will allow you to send highly targeted content that resonates with your audience. The third thing you'll need to do is build your email campaign. After creating your segment, go to the Campaigns tab and click on Create Campaign. You'll choose Email, and then you'll be able to select the segment you want to send your email to. This is where you start crafting your message. Be sure to personalize it for your audience. Next, you'll want to make use of Mailchimp's automation features. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're sending targeted emails over time. You can set up automated email flows that are triggered by specific actions, like a subscriber signing up or making a purchase. Automation ensures you're reaching your audience with the right message at the right moment without constantly having to manage it manually. The fifth thing is A/B testing. To get the best results from your targeted emails, you should test different subject lines, content, and sending times to see what works best for each segment. Mailchimp makes A/B testing easy, and it can help optimize your campaigns over time, so you're getting the best possible open and click-through rates. Next, review your reports. Once your targeted email is sent, Mailchimp gives you detailed analytics showing how your campaign performed. This includes open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement. By analyzing these reports, you can tweak your future campaigns for better results. And the last thing, don't forget to maintain clean and updated lists. Over time, you'll want to regularly clean your email list to remove inactive subscribers and ensure that your segments stay accurate. This helps maintain a high deliverability rate and ensures your emails are reaching the right people. To recap, first, set up your Mailchimp account and gather accurate data. Second, segment your audience for targeted messaging. Third, build your email campaign and personalize it. Fourth, use automation to send timely messages. Fifth, A/B test for optimized performance. And lastly, review your reports and clean your lists to maintain accuracy. Remember, if you're new to Mailchimp or want to use it to its full potential, you can start with the free plan using the link below, and you'll get exclusive bonuses. If you want to dive even deeper into segmentation and targeting, you can check out their premium features for advanced segmentation and analytics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the first link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and bonuses.